I'm with Mr. Rajesh Ghashi from CHIRON. How do you find IMTEX, sir?
This time, yes, it's quite interesting. Too many halls. I think a lot of people. And last 2 days, I think we have a very good enthusiastic crowd in terms of quality. A lot of industry people have come visited. We had very nice interactions, and I hope we continue the next 3 days.
What is trending in machining industry in India?
You see, now what we see here is, as far as trends are concerned, yeah, there is a lot of talk on digitalization, advanced machining processes. We can also see a lot of machines being developed for micro precision machining, and that's something which is coming up, I think, for the micro precision industry. We could see in quite some Indian machine tool builders who have come out with small machines.
What kind of a machine you are getting inquiry for?
You see, as far as inquiries are concerned, we have been talking to quite a few customers on the EV parts. Obviously, that's happening. Also, a lot on medical and precision components. Yeah, in jewelry or watch industry, and we have the right kind of machines